Last weekend, my cousin Dave invited us over for a life-changing breakfast, boasting about his latest invention, the silent alarm clock. Eager to witness Dave's latest brainwave, my friends and I gathered around the kitchen table, sipping coffee and exchanging skeptical glances. Dave unveiled his creation, a sleek, minimalist device that looked more like a paperweight than an alarm clock. "It revolutionizes mornings by waking you up with a gentle vibration," he proclaimed, ignoring our raised eyebrows. We agreed to give it a try, setting it for the crack of dawn. Each morning for a week, we awoke in the late afternoon, groggy and confused, missing work, appointments, and any semblance of productivity. When we finally confronted Dave about the clock's failure, he shrugged and said, "Well, it did work quietly." As we groaned, he added with a grin, "Guess you could say it was an alarming success."